From now on, storm the waters with Deeper Fish Finder and enter a new generation of smart angling. Portable, versatile, smarter than ever before. Deeper is a perfect depth sounder for any type of fishing. Reveal bottom contour details, underwater structures, vegetation, fish targets, depth, temperature, and much more. You don't need any expensive sonar gear for that. You're all set with smartphone or tablet and Deeper Fish Finder. Make all your casts count and explore water through smart imaging sonar view. No matter if it's a bridge, shore, or bank, Deeper fits it all. You simply have to screw the right bolt attached Deeper to a line and cast it to the desired water spot. You'll instantly start receiving information right on your screen. Know where you are on the map. Use Deeper on your boat or kayak. Boat mode allows you to create personal bathymetric maps in real time. Attach Deeper to your gear with flexible arm mount and start exploring. History feature also lets you save unlimited data for future use and offline map examination. Track your lure under the thick ice. If you hear the ice cracking, it's time to launch ice fishing mode. Use Deeper as traditional ice flasher to monitor conditions below ice and get crystal clear real-time information. Try Amplitude Scope to plot depth and intensity of sonar return below transducer. Split the screen to see both views at the same time and zoom in to get more detail. Deeper is specifically designed to fit in your tackle box and even in your pocket. But the most important, it matches your fishing style. So fish anywhere you want, at any time you want. Do more with Deeper Fish Finder. Start fishing the smart way.